DIY Crafts, and today I am here with my friend Sienna. She didn't introduce herself, but that's okay. It's Anna and Sienna.
You don't need to know me.
Look her up and see what comes up. Tell us in the comments down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel for more videos. And I might be doing a vlog channel too soon. Try to get this channel to 135 subscribers. We're almost there. I think we're at like 120. Yup. Let's go. So, what are we doing today?
We are doing squishy challenges. Or dares, almost.
Yeah. They're in this pumpkin. This might not be the best thing because it's not even
It's close enough to Halloween.
But yeah.
You know.
Just a couple, like 5-7 months away. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we're back with all of these beautiful squishies. This one's my favorite. I hope this one doesn't get destroyed. But, would you like to go ahead and draw?
Yes, I would.
I'm so sad.
Like 5 things.
Well, there's like actually 8 things in there, but we're not going to be doing them all.
Cut up a squishy and put it in slime.
My poor slime and my poor squishy. Okay, let's go ahead and get on to the Okay, so we are using this slime. It is scented like grapefruit, pink grapefruit.
I'm going to pick a random squishy.
So
I got this football, and we're going to cut it and put it in slime.
disappointing.
So we're going to cut the squishy now. Ugh, sadly.
No, this is killing me.
If it will even cut.
It's so cringy to me. I
Oh,
don't
no.
know. I don't know why it's so cringy. This is bothering me so much. Oh no. I'm gonna.
I can't even cut in a straight line. That's just me.
That's me too, bro. Oh my gosh, it's so soft on the inside. It's sticky.
It's almost
It's weird.
like...
All right, so she's gonna cut that up, and we're gonna put it in this grapefruit slime.
Oh! I'm not liking this.
I'm not either. Believe me.
It's also like
Nowhere.
OCD because I'm cutting it like all kinds of ways, like crooked.
Yeah,
It's bothering me.
it's bothering me a lot more. I'm very OCD.
It's your own squishy, so.
Yeah, it is. But at my old school, my nickname was actually Perfectionist. That's what like they call me.
Okay, we're gonna put it in slime. Oh, no, poor slime, poor squishy.
Especially the poor slime.
Luckily, we didn't get one of like the gigantic squishies.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be good.
I don't even think I would have enough slime for that to fit in my room at the moment, so. Look at how crunchy that is.
So now Anna is gonna draw.
I don't want to do this, but you know. Draw on a squishy with something. Can I just draw on this? I'm going to. You guys can tell me if that's rule breaking, but I'm just going to draw on this. Sorry, Hannah's covering up Sienna's face. But yeah. I'm so disappointed I have to destroy this, even though it was already destroyed. This one was one of my nice squishies. At least I still have another one I got for Christmas. But as you guys shall hopefully see, I'm gonna like, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so on it I wrote Panthers because Sienna and her entire family likes the Panthers, so I got that. And then I wrote my channel, DIY Crafts. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. What are you doing? And then I wrote the date, which I destroyed this poor squishy, me and Sienna, 1/13/18. Alright, so now that I have drawn, Sienna is going to draw again. Go ahead and draw from the thing of death. There's our squishies in.
Lovely Halloween bucket.
I don't know why the pumpkin's
That is
smiling.
not out of season.
Why is the pumpkin smiling though? This is the death of the squishy.
Cut a random squishy.
Okay. So.
So I have to draw.
Yeah.
Once again.
Okay. Are you ready for it? Okay, you can choose.
Okay. I don't. This is really hard because I don't know if I should grab like a soft one or a hard one.
Oh, my poor waffle. It's okay. It already has like defects everywhere. It's fine.
R.I.P. waffle. R.I.P. Let the squishy murdering begin. I don't even know. I didn't expect it to come out like that, but whatever.
Okay. Goodbye, waffle. Nice meeting you. Why don't they cut? That's like my only question.
Inside.
It looks so weird. It's like, wait, no, we could have friendship waffles. Wait. I think it was supposed to go this way. Friendship
Yay.
waffles! Yay! Now.
That I have sadly drawn like 5 million times. Anna is gonna go and ruin another squishy.
I don't want to ruin another one. Technically, I ruined 0 because I used yours last time. All right. Put slime on a squishy. We already did that by putting a squishy in slime. So, oh well, not doing that one. Wash a squishy with soap and water. I actually kind of wanted this one because I wanted to feel the texture of like a wet squishy. I don't know why. But I shall meet y'all
in the bathroom. Am I the only one that does that by myself in the mirror though?
Nope. Okay. I hope my parents like don't kill me, but you know. Okay, for like
whatever.
dying or killing the squishy.
That is a big squishy just to kill Anna.
It's like it's my hand, as you can see in the mirror, and on the back of my hand.
Pause
Here's
it?
the camera. Okay, here's the squishy. We're gonna be using this coconut ginger soap. That's my sister's actually. Hot water? Cold?
Yeah.
Okay. It's still cold. It's fine. Okay. Actually, I don't mind this horribly much, but like I do because like see that it's like kind of turning a bit less white. So I'm gonna see if I can get all that grime and stuff off of there. Let's like rub that soap into the squishy. Into the squishy. Into the squishy.
If only you guys could see her
foaming.
dance.
It's foaming. It's foaming. It's so foamy. That's gross. Okay. 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 Now that we have the squishy, we've been doing the, oh my god, look at that huge defect that got in it and got in it and got in it. Okay. Oh. Oh my god.
Good advice. Don't wash your squishies.
Yeah, don't do it, y'all. But I don't really care because it did get kind of like more squishy. Like it was less squishy. I'm sorry, guys, I didn't show you the squishiness before. I forgot. All right, this is amazing. All right. So here's the squishy before and after the thingy. It has a huge defect here. My nail marks all around here and a huge defect right here. So yeah, choose one. Okay. I don't know how many more we're gonna do, but I feel so bad. But it did get squishier and like.
Put a squishy in your mouth for 10 seconds.
You want to use this clean one? It just squirted water everywhere. Does
it have soap in it?
I don't think so. Maybe. Don't use this one. That's gross.
Not use that one.
But like a small one, like not one with like something charms. Like use like a dumpling, cause it's like food related.
So here's the dumpling squishy. I have to put it in my mouth for 10 seconds.
I'm so happy I didn't get this. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, it's at 11 seconds, 12, 13, 14,
Oh,
15, 16, 17, 18. I don't know. I think that was 10. You can take it out. That's so gross. She said it tasted like hand sanitizer. This one tasted
like soap.
like soap and chemicals. Don't do this unless you like want to die.
If
Although
you want to
highly
be poisoned,
But like if you do mix soap with the squishy, like it's so soft. It got so many defects at once.
it has a lot.
It made me sad. So next dare maybe?
Don't eat them.
It's nasty. Even the food one. Okay. Let's choose one. Says put tape on a squishy, then rip it off. Let's see how that goes. I'm gonna be using the ice cream one since it's already so defective.
So we have our squishy and the tape, and she's putting it around it right now.
If it doesn't work, I'll choose another one. But I don't even know if it actually will, but like look at all that paint, y'all. It worked.
Even when it's
Right
wet.
all over here where my nail mark. This is so soft, like it just rips so easily.
That's sad.
I know. It's okay though. You have the last one, which really stinks. The last one.
Okay, so
There's the pumpkin. There's the drawing.
there's a Sienna.
There's an Anna.
Okay, it says bite off a piece of a squishy.
Okay,
Okay, so which one should I do?
I don't know. We'll get back to you.
I don't get why I always get the ones where you have to put them in your mouth.
Actually, I put the ice cream in your mouth. It tastes worse than hand sanitizer.
Mm.
Tastes like hand sanitizer
So-
mixed with soap.
I'm going to be biting off a piece of this. Is it?
Macaroon.
Yeah, like. I've
Is it-
never had one of those.
Wait, is it a macaroon or macaron?
I'm not sure. Comment down below what you think.
See half of my face. See my eyeball.
Okay, so I've actually never had one of these. I actually want one.
I do too. I've had like 2 in my entire lifetime.
It just reminds me of like some fancy Paris like
Different view, y'all. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
Here we go. Look at my mouth. Oh
Well, you got to finally try a macaroon, not the one that you were hoping of.
no. Not
but,
the one I wanted.
You know. Oh, the poor-
This one wasn't as bad since I didn't have to hold it in my mouth.
Yeah, you just had to bite it. That's what I do with the ice cream, but I was gonna be like, because the ice cream, but like, it tastes nasty and it has too many defects. It's about to slide off the cone. Okay, so that is all for this Squishy Dare video. I hope this video wasn't too long, because I know it is, but yeah.
The video was really hard for us to make, so please like it and
And
enjoy it.
subscribe. You know, get us to 135 followers. I think I have like 121 now, but I don't know, okay? Because like I got YouTube
Look at my
notifications.
juggling skills. Oh, yes.
Oh my goodness. I don't think that's how you juggle. I think it's with 3, not 2.
I mean, you could do. Here, I got this.
Yeah, that's still not how you juggle.
I was
Ew,
in the
wait,
circus.
that's the one that you put in your mouth. Okay, bye.
Bye.